he's eating.
He got a piece of his food.
What food?
His food.
From where?
I have no idea.
Bailey, go ahead, give kisses.
He stores it in his cheeks.
Bailey, give kisses.
And he probably just took it out. She's like, I'll give him a nub. Easy Bailey, she's like, I gotta lay down. Look at this guy. Aww. Bailey, you're so cute.
Give kisses, Belle. Give kisses.
I love you, Bailey. I love you. She's like, was that thing just talking to me? I love you, Bailey.
Yeah.
Bailey, I love you. Bailey. Bailey, my name is Virgo. I'm one of your best friends. You're hilarious.
What's the matter, Belle?
She's like, that's the matter.
What is it, Belle? Want to give kisses?
Mommy, what's the matter? What's the matter? It's like, should I give you a head start roll? She's like, what? What is that thing doing? There it goes. Bailey's gonna come towards you.
Belle? Belle. Belle, go say hi. Go say hi. Aw, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Hi, baby. You good girl. Go ahead, Belle. You can go see it. You want to go see him? Go see Virgo. Go see the little thing.
Maggie bring to you?
All right, I'm going to turn this off. Look, what's that, Belle?
What?
All right, leave it, Meg. Leave it, Meg.
There he goes. See, look, he runs. He's running. He goes running. See, that's what he does. That's what the hamster does. He's like,
Wait,
Really?
because I think she's going to start playing with him. All right.
she's like, can I
All
play
right,
with
no
this
more. Okay, baby. All right.
thing? She's like, can I play with this thing? she's like, can I play with it?
Yeah, she's... All right, hold on. Meg.
What?